Hi everyone, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial as to how you start using linked inference. So first things first, let's finish the registration section and get those URLs up onto the system. Click save and remember to press click here to start free trial. Start a free trial now. And now we're in. You can see here, if you're signing up for the free trial, you have 30 days. So 30 days from now is the 17th December 2022. On the left-hand side, you will see a selection of options for you to choose from. We're going to go through each one so you can get an overview of what each one means and how it can benefit you. So the first one is a dashboard, and this is going to be your dashboard where you will be tracking your URLs. Now, remember when we signed up to the platform, you had the option to actually select a URL. This is where that first URL is going to be drawn. Second is accounts. So the accounts are accounts which are going to be the criteria and section in which your profiles, your LinkedIn URLs will be described to. So for example, if I am following someone at Microsoft, I'd create an account and I'd call it Microsoft. Profiles, again, are the LinkedIn URLs of the profiles you want to follow. So profiles are the LinkedIn URLs in which you will subscribe to an account. Stats will be pulling in the raw data from LinkedIn Inference, the content stats. And then subscription will be giving you information on your subscription. And then finally, keywords will be the keyword functionality tool, which you can deploy if you subscribe to our premium package. So I'm going to add an account by simply clicking add an account. I'm going to name the account Microsoft like this, Microsoft, and then I can press save. And now I'm going to go on to profiles, and now I'm going to find a profile. So I'm just selecting this random person here, so Jessica, and then I'm going to go on to add profile here, copy and paste the URL, and then select the account I want that URL to be tracking on. Click save and go back to the dashboard. You can see here now I've created two dashboards, Microsoft and SGG. So it's a really simple way to start building your audience up. And if you give the tool 1 or 2 days, you'll be able to start getting some really interesting stats. You can get set up any LinkedIn URL super easy by simply copying and pasting those URLs into the list. You can upload bulk lists by simply copying and pasting an Excel sheet with loads of leads into the account section. But this, in essence, is the super quick way of getting started with LinkedIn Inference. So I hope you enjoy the tool, and please feel free to contact me or one of the team if you have any questions at all.